Why did we set up a clinical trial network in the first place? Because it's not a thing that a patient-driven research charity would normally do. There was nothing of its type in the UK or indeed anywhere in the world at the time when we conceived the idea 10 years ago. And I guess there's a number of reasons why we wanted to set it up, but the pivotal period was when we were doing the NICE appraisal of bortezomib in the UK. So bortezomib was the first new drug in myeloma for many years, even 2 decades even. And we were quite casual about it. We thought that there would be no issue getting the drug approved by NICE, given, you know, its criteria, first in class, really effective, blah, blah, blah. And as everybody knows, NICE turned it down. And it was a very difficult and challenging time. It took us 2 years to work with NICE, to work with the Department of Health in the UK, to work with the company. And essentially, we didn't come up with the risk management scheme, but we created the environment, and we gave them an instruction to find a solution to manage the risk and the uncertainty, and they came up with the VELCADE Response Scheme. And after that, we got invited to comment on it, give talks, write things, and everybody assumed we would say how great we were and how amazing this was that we got access. And we were very pleased, but actually we were shocked because we realized through that experience that drug development was not working. The system was flawed, it was in silos, people were working and thinking in isolation, there was no real strategic evidence development, it was all about just proving safety and efficacy for the regulator. And it was evident that that was not enough at the time. We needed to think beyond the regulator and think about HTA and commissioning. And we knew then that they needed different data, and that data was not in the registration program. So we decided, amongst many other reasons, to create an academic research consortia that could partner with industry to essentially converge an academic and commercial evidence development strategy to produce local real-world data so that we could increase certainty and improve the value proposition of the data inputs into the system that we felt would lead to a higher likelihood of a NICE yes rather than a NICE no. So that was the real driver behind the clinical trial network, and that was 2005, at a time when, you know, people shut the door in my face and said, "You're mad, this is not what research is, this is not commercial research, it's not academic research." And here we are in 2016, and you can barely pick any journal up or go to any conference where we're not talking about these concepts.